With TikTok Shop Affiliate, information is king because if you're able to find that next trending product before they go viral, you can easily make tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in one single TikTok video. Let's look at this creator. So this creator generated $320,000 in revenue. With a 10% commission, she's making $32,000 promoting this one product in one video in the last 7 days. That's insane. So a big part of making good money as a TikTok Shop affiliate is relying on having the right information at the right time. And Kalodata is the best tool that you could find to help you to do just that. It will basically save you hours of time because it simplifies the research process. It will save you money because you won't pick the bad products. And most importantly, you'll make more money because you'll make more sales with the next winning product. So let me show you how Kalodata works. So here's the main dashboard once you're logged in, and you'll be able to see all types of information that you'll need all in one place. So for example, you'll be able to see the top products here, the top creators who's generating the most revenue, the top rated shops, these specific top videos that's generating the sales, as well as the top live streams. So the first thing that I'll show you is just come to the top product, just click more. So this basically shows you the most recent trending products that have been making the most sales. So this is sorted by revenue. So the first product, we have this 15-day cleanse, gut and colon support. So this has generated 1.62 million of revenue in just the past 7 days. You see the product price here, and you'll see the number of items sold. When you hover over the video, you'll be able to see the video.
5 pounds in 4 minutes. That's how much Dookie came at.
So you get all these helpful data consolidated in one page for you. And when you scroll down, you see this complete list of what's selling. And obviously you can go to the next page. And these are all the different types of products that are doing really well. Now, if you want to narrow this down, because there are over 17,000 pages of data, what you can do is come to the left-hand side. You can narrow down based on category. So depending on what niches you're in, you can use this to further narrow down the potential items that you're looking for. So for example, let's look at phones and electronics. So what we can do, we can look at this category and further narrow down. And let's go to phone accessories. And let's go to cases and screen protectors and stickers. We click apply. And once it's applied, this is the narrowed down list according to the category that you choose. You can see the revenue. And let's look at this one. To see the details, just click on this. So this is the Magic John Clear and Privacy Protection Screen Protector. This item, last 7 days, generated 101,000 of revenue. And this is the average price. And when you scroll down, you see the exact creators that are responsible for generating the revenue. So these are all creators that are making sales. And over here, you'll see the exact videos that are converting.
And I need some hair so I can put it on my phone. Alright, so the hair is going to be like the dust, and let's see if it pulls it off. You've probably seen this guy on your For You page. I got his Magic John screen protector, and everyone says it's bad, but does it work with dog hair?
So that's a very simple video. So let's say if you like this video, you can actually click on Export Script, and then Kalodata will export the script for you. So what you can do is take some inspiration or idea from this script. You can just copy it and modify it. Don't copy exactly, of course, that would be plagiarizing. But what you can do is just copy it to like a Word document and modify it, improve on it, and make it your own. Or if you want, you can use this AI optimize button. And what you can do is pretty much use this AI function in Kalodata to change up the script faster. So for example, we can say make this script shorter. And then it will start generating the shorter script for you. So this is definitely a useful feature. So let's exit out. Let's go back to all categories. And there are more filters on the left-hand side that are super useful. So for example, once you choose your category, or you can just leave it as default to look at all categories. You can filter by revenue. So for example, if you're looking for products that are, doing at least 20K to 50K, just click apply. And let's say we can do revenue trend that's growing, right? So we could try to, find products that are proven, but not yet have gone super viral, but it's still trending. And you could even set the average unit price. I'll leave that off for now. And we'll just click submit. And here we have the narrowed down result. We can, sort by the revenue from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. And these are all products that are currently trending. If you want to look at a longer time frame, just come here to date. Click on this, and we can click on last 30 days, for example, click submit, and then it'll show you the 30 days time frame data. And if you want to look at an even longer time frame, you can customize that date to any time frame. So for an example, let's look at the first one. So this is the facelift 7-in-1 facial massager, and we'll look at the last 30 days, $20,000 in revenue. Average price is about $10. And you can click here to see the exact TikTok product link. And to find out how much commission this product is paying, you simply have to go to the product marketplace in the TikTok shop and search up this exact product. Okay, looks like this product is paying 10% in commission. So we can go back to this page. So we look at this creator. We'll come down here to the product. So there's the product. So we can estimate that she's making $600 for this one product in the past 30 days. And if you need to look for more inspirations for the videos, you can just scroll down and see the similar videos of the same exact product. So these videos are also doing really well. So for example, this one has almost 12 million views. This one has almost 6 million views. So all these videos are doing really well. So what you can do is look at all this inspiration and recreate your own content using similar video formats that work, because these are all proven videos that it works. So if you follow the same video formats, add your own twist to make it your own, your video will have a good chance of doing really well too. So let's go back out to this page. So you have to remember the next winner is going to be in here somewhere. Literally countless amount of products that's on here and also on TikTok shop. And if you're able to find that product before it goes viral, it's going to be a game changer, right? So what you can do is, I would suggest you come up with your own parameter. So for example, if you want to look at, product that has certain revenue. So for example, if we change this to, 20K to 100K, we click apply, and revenue source, we go with video, for example, and revenue trend, select growing. And for the unit price, I think it's smart to pick a unit price. And I think this works for most niches, is that you want to pay attention to the price not being too low, because if it's too low, then it may not have a healthy margin, right? But then if the product is too high, that might cause the viewers to be hesitant to buy, because if the price is too high, I feel like a lot of, people won't be buying it on impulse, right? So the conversion may be lower, but of course this is product dependent. Just generally speaking, I would try to pick products that are not too high in price. For example, let's say we want to go with $20 to $100, and we'll stick with the 30 days window and click submit. And here we see a whole new list of products that we could choose from. So the choices and the possibilities are literally endless. So these are just examples. Feel free to modify any of these parameters to what you think would be best. But I think the point is to, find the products that are proven, that are, getting clear demand, but haven't gone super viral yet, right? So I think that's the way to go. So if you want to get access to this software, Kalodata, you can use the link below. Use my code KUMO, KUMO. You get an extra 10% off your subscription, and you can cancel anytime. You can start a free trial first if you like, to see if you like the software. And like I said, I highly recommend this software. I use it myself, and there's nothing better than Kalodata on the market to do what it does. So I highly recommend it. So check it out. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.